Stay tuned to see how I created this custom macrame planter. So these are the supplies we'll be using. Little mini rhinestone gems, a rhinestone picker that has a plastic end to attach to the gems, and permanent chalk markers. These I got from Ross. I also picked up this DIY macrame planter kit that comes with the planter pot, the ring, and the yarn that you'll be using to create the macrame hanger. And it came from the little section at the front of Target. It was only $3. So you just open up your kit, and right on the inside you'll see everything that you'll need to create your planter. Like I said, you got your yarn, your jump ring, and the instructions. So I was just opening up everything to see like what the texture of the yarn was, and to open up the instructions. The instructions were very easy to follow as well. Basically, the instructions are going to tell you to cut 4 strands of yarn, each being 78.7 inches long, and then walk you through the process of creating your macrame holder. You will basically end up creating a total of 9 knots altogether. You'll start knotting your macrame strands with the strand numbers 2 and 3, and that will end up leaving strands 1 and 8 out. Once you do that, you'll knot 1 and 8 together, and then you will also go ahead and make one final knot at the bottom, and that'll be your decoration for your holder. The instructions are very detailed, and I hope that watching this video will help you create your own macrame holder. I've always been a little hesitant to do macrame because I didn't really think that I thought that the tying of the strands was more complicated than it actually was. So definitely try this DIY out. I've created the holder, I'm gonna decorate the planter. I'm using these permanent chalk markers that I picked up from Ross, and I'm simply going to go along each groove on the planter and line it with the marker. I'm gonna alternate the colors between black, gold, and silver, and I'm gonna continue this process down the entire planter. And because you guys know I love to add bling to things, I'm using these little rhinestones, and I'm going to apply them all over the planter. I'm just going in straight lines on every black line, and I'm just adding a little bit of Gorilla Glue to the planter using the rhinestone picker. I'm using the small side, which is like the little dotting tool, to add the glue, and then the little plasticky side to adhere the gemstones. And I'm just going down in the little lines all around the planter until I've completely covered it to my liking. And I added one big diamond gem that I did not record. And here is the finished custom macrame planter. I really love how it came out. The knots are a little off center, as you can see, but that is why it is so important to make sure that you're measuring accurately when you are getting ready to tie your knots. And you want to make sure each one is even. I love the little diamond accents that I've added to the planter as well. And I added succulents to my planter. So it's great that they put a drain on the end of the planter so that I will be able to let the water come out. You never want to have root rot with your plants. And also, since I added succulents, I will be moving this to a place that is more sunny so that it will get the heat that it needs. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Thank you for joining me for another video this week. This was definitely one of the more fun ones that I've created. Macrame has always been something that I've wanted to try, and I'm very happy that I did. Make sure you leave me a comment down below letting me know what you want to see next week, as well as liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing with a friend. Also, make sure you hit that bell for notifications so you'll see when I upload every Tuesday. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right, I love you guys. Bye.